Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to reply with a quote on X. Okay, so first of all, of course, open X application on your device and find specific post that you want to quote. And under the post, you will see repost icon that looks like two arrows in square. You have to tap it and from the list, select quote option. This is the screen where you can add your comment, add your reaction. Basically, whatever that you want to type, you can do it right here. And additionally, if you want, you can add media to your quote, such as videos and pictures. Also, you can use Grog. This is artificial intelligence from the X. Also, you can add GIF and your location by using GIF icon and location. Finally, when you are satisfied with your comment, you have to tap post button in the top right corner of the screen and the quoted post will appear on your profile and it is publicly visible for everyone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.